We've been talking about matter, anything that has mass or volume, and then in the notes we also talked about physical and chemical change. In a physical change, you do not change the identity of a substance. The atoms get rearranged, maybe their speed changes or something like that. So I want to show you a physical change and a chemical change. So I've got this piece of paper, and here comes a physical change. Now what did I change? Well, I changed the mass, I changed the volume, I changed the length, width, and height, but the important thing is it's still paper. So physical change. Here's another one. Ready? What did I do there? Well, I changed the mass, length, volume, still paper. So that is just a physical change. The identity doesn't change. Here's one more, a little magic. Ready? All right. So now we want to go to a chemical change. In a chemical change, you change the identity of the substance. So you make something new. So let me get my goggles on, be safe. Okay, so here comes a chemical change. You ready? Look at that. Now, not very exciting, but what did we do? Well, we took the butane that's in here, we added a spark, and the oxygen in the air created something new. If we could collect it, we would have carbon dioxide and water. We know it's a chemical reaction because the signs of a chemical reaction that we talked about in the notes, we see some light, you can feel some heat. But that's not a very exciting chemical reaction. So let's do a better chemical change. So I've got lycopodium powder right here. And let's watch this. This one's a little more fun. Yeah. Now, another sign of a chemical reaction. Let's do it again, because I never get tired of it. Woo! Now, how do we know it's a chemical reaction? Well, we got heat, light, and if you could smell, you would have this smell right now. But the thing that's important is we don't have lycopodium powder anymore. We've made something new, so the identity of this has changed, and therefore that's a chemical change. Let's do it one more time because this is really fun. A real long one. Woo, there you go. Chemical change, physical change. In a physical change, the identity doesn't change. In a chemical change, you make something new.